Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to convert video to audio. Now it's a very easy process. So open any browser over here, and on the browser just simply search for Video Candy. Then open the first link. Now over here you'll have a lot of options. So over here you'll have a lot of options. So what you have to do is just simply scroll down and you will have an option of video convert. So over here click on this option. Now just simply add your video file over here by clicking on add file. Then you simply choose where your file is. So after clicking on the file, as you can see, it started uploading. Now wait for the upload to complete. Now over here you will find the video that have been uploaded, and below that you will find all the ways that you can convert. So as you can see, there are a lot of options. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert into MP3. So click on MP3 over here, and now the converting part will start. So it might take few seconds depending on the system that you have. Now after it is all done, click on download file, and now the downloading part will also start, as you can see right over here. And when the downloading is complete, just simply go to the download section of your Google Chrome browser by click on the three dots and then downloads. Now right over there you should find your download. So just simply go to the audio section, and right over there you will have your audio. So you can play this if you want to, as you see right over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.